Hi, it's Denise, my real estate, and I've got this beautiful 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom corner unit, 930 square feet here in Coquitlam. It's only a 25-minute ride to downtown Vancouver, built by Polygon. This is the Stanton House. I can't wait to give you a tour. And here is your beautiful corner unit that's 930 square feet of absolute usable living space. You come on through, this is your living room, but what's behind me is the beautiful cherry blossoms. Don't need to go to Japan when you have it right here. This was one of the most sought after floor plans during pre-sale. Here's a 4-seater dining room, but it could fit a 6 or 8. And what's absolutely great is the 9-foot ceilings. You come in such an open space, but the true highlight of this home is this kitchen. This is a white kitchen plus this gray quartz countertop accents. My current client's a baker, so she absolutely loves all this counter space. Also, you have a stainless steel appliance package with a 4-range gas burner stove for every chef they'll love. And I love the backsplash as well here. And you also have a bonus, a window in your kitchen, which is quite rare. So imagine washing the dishes plus all this natural light coming through. The second bedroom is tucked away, and here is your master bedroom with a beautiful view of the cherry blossoms. And you have a king or even a queen-size bed that fits perfectly well with a walk-in closet. And this is the spa-inspired bathroom. You've got double sinks for his and hers, standing shower, and I absolutely love the backsplash here with your deep soaker tub. Imagine relaxing, unwinding, and enjoying your own spa oasis. And here is your corner private patio that is covered deck that can be used all year round. Plus, you've got the cherry blossoms right behind me. And this location is absolutely key because you're right by the SkyTrain and got tons of amenities, restaurants, schools, and even parks around you. If you'd like to book a viewing, feel free to contact me. My name is Denise Hwy. I'm more than happy to set one up for you.